Alright, suck it.
Que se escuche la fracatera de Culiacán hasta Phoenix. Ahí le va mi compa. Vieja pa' tirar pa' arriba y a mí.
Fucking 94, come on. That thing is crazy.
Mi nombre es el Tamarindo.
Beautiful. This my nigga, how much more?
Abandona el commander, oiga.
Fucking 94.
Así lo hacemos aquí en la raza Vallejo, chingada.
That nigga so fucking crazy, son.
We right here, she said play the TV. So pretty much I sanded down the car, so it looks pretty disgusting right now. Yeah. Let me give you a walk around. We're taping it up right now, getting ready to do the labor. Make sure you get it right though. I got my compadre over here, Fabián, a ver, dile. So to the camera. So yeah, man, we're prepping it right now. We got the corridos going. We got the other compadre come through. Check out this one might get blacked out too. A ver, Panchillo, dile que puedes a la cámara, güey. Yeah, this is what you need to paint the job. The coronas. Yeah, I don't know about the tail, but. Ahí está. What's up? Pretty much we're done covering it up, all the good places, you know. Make sure everything is nice and clear. Make sure you get the keyhole. Make sure you drink a little bit of lemonade.
Yeah, para que no se atore la garganta.
Yeah, so you won't get the throat all dusty. Alright, so pretty much, man, we got kicked out the garage, man, so we can't paint it in the garage anymore. We out here though. We got the paint engineer over here. Hollister wearing. Make sure you get everything. Make sure you cover up the pinholes. Cover up the rims. See how we got this one. Cover up the mirrors. Everything.
I live in the bay, that's a place that never need drugs. I can guarantee the best you ever seen before. Really, I'm the only motherfucker that you need to know. Bending corners, call the corner, they ain't getting up. 30s on my color, sweet as diamonds, we be sitting up. On the block, half hard, head guap. Remember that? The Lord of P ain't allowed to speak, let's just peel the cap. Remember me? Did it all for the MOB, seeing shit you dream to see. It's the life, but won't be right till my neck.
Tonight. Alright, start ready. ¿Y la quemada? Grábale, grábale. ¿No?
Right now, it's about 8 in the morning, and this part 2 of the painting the car. Look, check it out. We didn't finish it, but we woke up to some very sad news, man. They stole this guy's car in the morning. Yeah, man. So shit like that happens. So pretty much day 2, we're about to give it another round. We're gonna give it the next layer. Everything's taped up from yesterday. See, we got it.
The windows, the mirrors, we break out the lights, even.
check this out. Knock your teeth down your throat, 60 G's in my Raiders coat. All trap money, split the C in my speedboat. I live in the Bay, it's a place that never need dro. I can guarantee the best.
Twister, $1.
Really, I'm the
Home
only
Depot.
motherfucker that you need to know. Bending corners, call the corner, they ain't
We got the expensive gun from straight from probably the dollar store, maybe. This is what we use right here. Alright, so pretty much we're on the last layer. We put about 4 or ¿cuántas crees, güey? Like how many do you think? 6, maybe 6 layers. You can still, you know, you can notice a little bit. It's the life I won't be right till my niggas free. Smoke tree, ain't my man, get my enemies. I just wanna clap on my enemies. Niggas rap, but they couldn't see us in their dreams. Niggas rap, fuck, boy, we actin' what they eat. Getting rich, motherfucker, I never sleep. We young motherfuckers and we run the streets. You know what I'm saying? Thing on my waist.
Compa Mayorga.
Another 100 racks.
Compa Mayorga.
My money stay long and yours don't grow. My bitches get money and yours don't hold.
De hecho no quedó así medio chingón.
My feet are down, I done knock more hoes. Damn magic down wine. Sitting in my Cadillac, blowing on bomb. Riding around Vegas with a suite at the Palms. Hopped out the whip, thing in the hand, ran up on the.
All this judgment's on other lives. Needs to stop. What are we living for? Giving more back than taking. On my knees, still waiting for my own salvation.
My car's so hot.
Oh, damn, that shit's hella warm.
They had to fucking get a photographer for my shit. Here it is, El Cheapo. Blacked out 95 Civic. There it is, boy. Gracias, güey. $20 paint job.
Knock your teeth down your throat, 60 G's in my Raiders coat. All trap money.
All day. Yeah, we had to chop off the muffler, you know. I didn't like the big old one sticking out the booty hole. Yep. Bending corners, call the corner, they ain't getting up. 30s on my colors, we the dumbest, we be sitting up on the block, half hard, head guap.